Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome one more time to DeFi Daily. Today, guys, I bring you a project that has caught my attention because it combines an amazing APY, it combines DAO, it combines gaming and playing to earn. So a very complete project. The project is TempoDAO, and as you can see here, guys, the APY that they are paying right now, it's absolutely insane. You know, it's this huge number. If you want to break it down, you can see it over here. It's paying more than 100% ROI in 5 days, which is approximately at 25% on a daily basis. APY, it's important, definitely. But to me, it's also very important the functionalities that these projects are implementing with their tokens. And in this case, they are the first ever gaming DAO that has been launched in the Avalanche ecosystem. So they're trying to differentiate from other DAOs. As you know, the majority of them only pay a very huge APY, but there's no real utility for their tokens. So people is just dumping and dumping the tokens whenever they generate profit. In this case, TempoDAO want to incentivize their users to actually hold the Tempo token. And why would they hold them, right? Well, TempoDAO will become the first play-to-earn gaming studio created by the community. So actually, by holding the Tempo token, users are gonna earn the right to vote in the decisions of the DAO and decide in which gaming projects the studio is actually gonna be investing in. So super interesting with a lot of potential. And guys, if you like this type of videos, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, you hit the like button, and you also share your questions and comments that I will take the time to answer. And please remember that this is not financial advice, guys. You should make your own research before you're deciding to invest in any cryptocurrency project. I am going to leave the link also to the Medium docs so that you can guys review them. But basically they summarize what we just spoke about, how TempoDAO is incentivizing their users to hold the Tempo token so that they can have voting rights and decide where the studio is going to actually invest the money in terms of developing play-to-earn games. So I really like the fact that it's combining NFT gaming, play-to-earn concept with DeFi 2.0 and the whole staking and bonding strategies that they pay an amazing APY, but that's not enough in my opinion. There must be more, right? A project must deliver more value to its users, and they're trying to do it through gaming. So it's definitely a project to keep an eye on. Of course, it has a risk. All DAO projects, I think, are very risky, but come check it out. They have a very strong roadmap, as well as a very strong community, and that's super important for any DAO project. So let's go check it out, their social media. We got Twitter with more than 5,700 users, which is absolutely amazing, right? And what I really like is, you know, they're very active and they are actually posting here about the first gaming project that the DAO is investing in. So they are already making a collaboration with a gaming studio to develop this project, and that's amazing, guys. Real utility for DAO projects and DAO tokens. Very active, and they've also built a very strong Discord community. So right now they have more than 11,800 members, and that's amazing, guys. And they are constantly interacting. There's a lot of contests, right? They actually gave like $1,000 in Tempo in the last one. They have a lot of AMAs. I recommend, guys, you check them out because they talk about the project, the roadmap, the future of the project. So it's very interesting and very complete. I will leave the link to the Discord channel in the description of the video so that you go check it out. And next thing, guys, something I really liked about this project, and is the fact that one of the founders, Enigma, he has actually revealed his identity. So, I mean, this is not a guarantee, right? I mean, there is always a risk in this type of projects, but the fact that Enigma, he's called Franz, actually reveal, and you can check here, you know, the text that he shared and why he decided to share his identity. It's very, very important. He is actually the founder of Sky Warrior Studio. You can check in Twitter. This has actually brought a lot of confidence to the community. You can check in LinkedIn as well. The company based in Hong Kong, they have also the website where they promote the company. So like I said, this is not a guarantee, guys, but not a lot of DAO projects have a KYC on their founder, and in this case this guy has revealed his identity. So how to use the app, and this is what we always do in DeFi Daily, right? We teach you step by step how to do it. You open the app over there, you will see that if you don't have your MetaMask wallet configured to the Avalanche network, you're not going to be able to access. So I'm going to teach you how to do this. You go to Trader.io. Imagine you are in the Ethereum network, let's say. You click on Connect MetaMask, and then automatically it's going to give you the possibility to configure the Avalanche network. You confirm the transaction, you sign, and then you're going to be already in the Avalanche network and ready to interact with the TempoDAO app. So, two functionalities, right? You have the staking and the bond, and here in the dashboard you can see that the current market cap is more than $10 million. So it's growing the project. The current price of the Tempo token is $31, and you know, let's check the screener how the token has been behaving. We can zoom out a little bit to 4 hours, and you can see that, well, this is a very interesting and in my opinion probably the best behavior of a DAO token that I've seen in a long time, because it's very, very stable, right? So usually DAO tokens dump a lot, and if we're able to hold you know, a constant price and getting paid at 115 ROI, well, we can make huge profit. So let's see how this behaves. Of course, it is risky. At some point the token could, you know, go up or go down, but yeah, that's part of the game, guys. Now, as any Olympus DAO Fork, TempoDAO has also the stake functionality, the bond functionality. I'm not going to spend too long explaining what this is, because I've already done it in other videos, and I'm going to leave here in the top right corner a video about Wonderland money, where I explain very detailed and step-by-step what everything means, right? But anyway, I will try to cover it high level here, so that if you don't understand what it is, you can actually learn through this video as well. We have the stake functionality and we have the bond functionality. We're going to start with staking. And in the case of staking, this is single stake, we have the option of actually buying the token using Trader Joe and then directly staking it here. So you would click here, buy on Trader Joe, and you would be directed into this website. We can buy the Tempo token using MIM. If you don't have MIM, I'm going to teach you in a very easy way and probably the cheapest way how to do it. You can use Trader Joe. You can use DAI or any stablecoin to buy MIM, but I'm going to recommend you to use Curve, because through this option, you would actually be able to obtain MIM at a better rate. So if you compare it with Trader Joe, you're going to get more MIM through this way. So you would click on sell, you will confirm the transaction, and that's it, guys. You will have your MIM ready to purchase Tempo. And in this case, for this example, I'm going to use almost 20 MIM to purchase, like I said, Tempo tokens, so that we can take it directly and stake it in the staking functionality. So we are buying it at a market price, the current market price, that it's about $30, and then we're going to stake it. So yeah, you get the transaction confirmed, and then you go here. You can add the Tempo token to your MetaMask wallet by clicking on this button. You will be able to see that we got Tempo there, and now we would select the max and confirm the staking so that we can start earning this crazy APY. So we're going to be earning that ROI of 118% every 5 days. That it's absolutely incredible. Now, something that I want to call out, guys, you know, these letters in yellow in the below part, it's very important to understand that TempoDAO is a little bit different to other forks. So in this case, the epochs last 16 hours, and there is what they call the warm-up period of 2 epochs. This is the time that you will have to wait so that you can claim your Tempo profits, let's say, and then you can sell those Tempo tokens to actually cash and make a benefit. So this is something you need to take into consideration. The team has done it in order to control the price of Tempo and avoid constant dumping. So, I mean, I think it's an interesting mechanism. So far, I think it has worked quite well to keep the price stable. So let's do it. It's now $31. And the next option, last option, is bonding, guys. So in the case of TempoDAO, we can use MIM to bond. We could use also AVAX. We can use an LP token. And the ROIs that they are paying, well, I mean, in this case, actually the discount at which you can buy Tempo are very interesting, 55% for MIM. So you can see it over here, guys. We can bond here Tempo tokens. So basically, we're exchanging our MIM for Tempo at a discounted price. Very important to call out that there is a 5 days vesting period. This means that you can only claim your Tempo and start staking them after 5 days, but you're buying at a discounted price. So you're buying at $20, right? So this 55% ROI is the discount you get, but you gotta wait 5 days until you can take the Tempo and stake them here in the functionality to start earning that 118% ROI. So there is the question, right? People say, what should I do? Should I buy at market price and then stake? Well, right now, staking is 115% ROI in 5 days. So it would be actually better to buy at market price and stake to earn this, because the other option is bonding. And in bonding, right now, you're earning only, and I say only, 55% as a discount in the price of Tempo in the moment that you purchase. But remember, you have to wait 5 days of that vesting period. So I'm going to show you an example just so that you learn. You click here, max, you click bond, you confirm, and then you would be actually bonding, exchanging this 10 MIM for the equivalent amount in Tempo. But I will have to wait, like I said, 5 days until I can actually take those Tempo out of here and start staking them. So guys, make your math depending on the price of the bond versus the staking. You need to make your own decision of what to do. But in this case, right now, I think it would be better to buy at a market price and then stake the token directly rather than bonding. Nevertheless, once you've bond, this is what you're going to be able to see. You will be able to see how long it will take to finish the vesting period. And you would be able to claim your tokens by clicking here and confirming the transaction on MetaMask. You will also be able to come here, and in the redeem functionality, you can also see how much you can actually claim in that moment. Right now, mine is 0, but as the epochs go by, I'm going to start getting some of them unlocked. And by clicking here on claim and stake, automatically, right, I'm going to be able to claim those tempo, and the protocol itself would stake them automatically, saving me on gas fees. Yeah, so I would be starting earning that APY. I recommend if you bond that you actually take your tempo that have been unlocked every 16 hours so that you can start getting this very juicy APY. So every 16 hours you can go, you can claim, take your tempo tokens that have been unlocked and start generating that additional profit by staking them. That would be my strategy so that you can generate even higher compound interest, guys. Now, last element that I wanted to cover here in the project, the calculator. So it's a very cool functionality. You can actually here put the amount that you have invested. In my case, let's check it out. Yeah, so here we go. This is what I've invested so far in the staking functionality. And at the current APY, that it's just this huge APY, and at the current market price, and assuming that the price of the token would remain the same, which it will most probably not happen in 30 days, this would be the profit that I would be making, right? So from a $20 investment, I would be making almost $2,000 profit. But like I said, I mean, guys, these tokens are usually volatile, so the price will definitely change. I don't know if it's going to go up or down. The APY will also probably go down if more and more people invest in the project. So you can do here your calculations, guys, put your numbers, put your scenarios, run different scenarios. Like, for example, we could put that, I don't know, the project would fall to 2 million APY, right? So you would be earning still at 2 million APY. You would be doing a 2x in 30 days, which is amazing, guys. I mean, it's great. We could even say, I mean, maybe it doesn't fall to 2 million. It falls only to 10 million, right? So with 10 million, you would still be making this huge profit. And even if the price goes down, right? Imagine the price goes down to 20. Well, you're still making $32 out of a $20 investment. Finally, if we invest, I don't know, maybe 50 tempo, right? $1,500. Well, you would be making $2,576 even with the price of the token falling 50%. So this is amazing, guys. You can play with the calculator. This is for you. It's a tool you can use. Very cool functionality by the TempoDAO team. So overall, guys, a very complete project, TempoDAO. I really like it. I think they have an amazing design. The fact of the gaming DAO, it's something very cool, different to other DAOs. Let's take a look at the roadmap, a couple seconds. So in Q4, they've actually done everything that they said they would be doing. They launched the app. Now they're going to be doing a redesign of the app. With Q1 2022, they would start with the game development, the alpha testing. So very interesting, guys. If they're able to accomplish all of this, then you have Q2 2022, where we have the whole NFT piece, right? They would actually have also establishing the DAO esports team, which would be a great feature, and you know, that actually plays very well with the whole gaming DAO concept. And in Q3 2022, they're open to VC and angel investors capital. So this could be very powerful for the project. I'm going to leave the links to all of these resources and tools so that you can come here. I recommend you to take time, go through the details, read it so that you can take a very informed decision whether you want to jump in or not. Said these, guys, we've reached today's end of the video. If you like this type of content, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you hit the like button and make sure that you drop your questions and comments. I will take time to answer each and every one of them. Once again, thank you very much for watching until the end, and I'll see you on the next video of DeFi Daily. Bye-bye.